Imagine waking up tomorrow and instead of stressing about cooking breakfast, cleaning the house, or folding laundry, a robot does it all for you. Not a clunky, half-broken machine that gets stuck every 5 minutes, but a fully functional humanoid robot, powered by Tesla's cutting-edge AI, capable of doing 100 tasks every single day. That's not science fiction anymore. Elon Musk just revealed the Tesla Bot Gen 3, and people all around the world are freaking out. Why? Because for the price of a used car, you can now have a personal robotic assistant that cooks, cleans, shops, and even learns your habits. And here's the kicker. Musk himself demonstrated how it cooked against him in the kitchen. And let's just say, the Tesla bot didn't disappoint. Part 1. The big announcement at Tesla's latest reveal event. Elon Musk shocked the world by pulling the curtain on Tesla Bot Gen 3. While earlier prototypes like Gen 1 and Gen 2 looked promising, Gen 3 is the first time we're seeing a humanoid robot that looks less like a lab project and more like something ready for your home. The price? $19,999. To put that into perspective, most service robots today cost between $120,000 to $150,000, and they're nowhere near as capable. By setting the Tesla bot at under 20 grand, Musk has essentially slashed the price of robotics by over 90%. Let's compare this to the average American household. In the US, people spend around $3,000 per month on household services like cleaning, cooking, childcare, or elderly care. Over $36,000 a year just to cover these basic tasks. Now, imagine spending just $19,999 once and getting a robot that performs these services every single day, without complaining, without sick days, and without asking for a raise. That's why people are calling this reveal the start of the robotic revolution. Part 2. What's inside? Features. So, what makes the Tesla Bot Gen 3 different from every other robot we've seen? Let's break down its insane features. 100 tasks per day. Unlike older bots that could barely walk or move boxes, Gen 3 is designed to handle complex, real-world tasks. Think cooking a full meal, cleaning your living room, doing your laundry, grocery shopping, watering your plants, babysitting. Yes, Tesla showed off this feature under controlled conditions. This is not just a machine, it's an assistant that blends into your daily life. Powered by Tesla. AI, the brain behind the bot, is the same neural net AI chip that powers Tesla's full self-driving cars. This means it can see, interpret, and react to the world in real time. It doesn't just follow commands, it learns from them. The more you interact with it, the smarter it becomes. Voice and emotion recognition. Unlike Alexa or Siri, the Tesla bot can actually read your tone and body language. If you sound stressed, it might say, "Don't worry, I'll handle dinner tonight." It's designed to feel less like a machine and more like a partner. Free lifetime software updates. Here's where Musk pulls the ultimate Apple move. Just like Tesla cars, the bot will get over-the-air updates. So instead of buying a static robot that gets outdated, your Tesla bot keeps learning new tricks. One year it's just folding laundry. The next year it could be writing emails or managing your smart home. Human-like dexterity. The Gen 3 hands are capable of performing delicate movements like cracking eggs, typing on a keyboard, or even playing piano. Elon Musk demonstrated it by having the bot cook alongside him, chopping vegetables, flipping food in a pan, and even plating a dish. And yes, The internet went wild with memes of Elon losing a cooking contest to his own robot. Part 3. The competition. Now let's talk about the competition. Boston Dynamics has robots that can backflip and dance, but they're not made for everyday households. They're priced for the military and research labs. Hyundai and other companies are experimenting with service robots, but they're slow, limited, and extremely expensive. China's BYD has tried entering the robotics space, but their bots lack Tesla's deep AI integration. Here's the difference. Tesla doesn't just sell a robot. They sell a connected ecosystem. Your Tesla bot charges with Tesla's solar panels. It stores backup energy in Tesla Powerwalls. It navigates using Tesla's computer vision. And it learns through Tesla's AI network. No other company has that end-to-end control over hardware, software, and energy. That's why Tesla Bot isn't just another gadget. It's part of Musk's larger master plan. Part 4. The impact. USA focus. So how does this impact Americans directly? 1. Labor and cost savings. The average U.S. family spends thousands per year on cleaning, babysitting, or home care. With Tesla Bot, those expenses disappear. For retirees, it means living independently longer without relying on expensive nursing homes. Healthcare and elderly care. The U.S. has a rapidly aging population. Nursing homes charge $7,000 plus per month for care. Tesla Bot could reduce that cost to a fraction, offering elderly citizens companionship, safety monitoring, and daily assistance. Restaurant and service industry shake-up. Imagine Tesla bots flipping burgers, delivering food, or managing coffee shops. That's billions in labor costs cut overnight. Of course, this sparks a debate. Will Tesla Bot create unemployment or free people from boring jobs? Musk argues it will free humans to focus on creative, higher-value work. But many aren't so sure. Part 5. Why Americans should care. Why should you care about this launch? Let's break it down. For students and young professionals, Tesla Bot means more free time to focus on studies, business, or passions. No more wasting hours on laundry or dishes. For retirees and families, it's affordable peace of mind. A helping hand that ensures safety and support at home. For tech lovers, it's the ultimate gadget. Imagine telling your friends, "Yeah, my robot cooked dinner last night." This is not just about robotics. It's about reshaping the American lifestyle. Part 6. The challenges. Of course, this isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Tesla Bot faces some major challenges. Government approvals. Regulations on humanoid robots are uncharted territory. How do you license, insure, or hold a robot accountable if something goes wrong? Privacy concerns. With microphones and cameras always on, people worry Tesla Bot could be spying. Job resistance. Labor unions and industries will push back hard against mass robot adoption. Size and family needs. Can one Tesla Bot really handle a big family household? Or will people need multiple units? Elon Musk is known for breaking through barriers, but this one might be his toughest yet. Part 7. Future Vision. Here's where it gets really wild. Elon Musk says this is just the beginning. In the next 5 to 10 years, Tesla envisions Tesla smart homes where every house has solar power, battery storage, Starlink internet, and at least one Tesla bot. Tesla smart cities, communities where bots handle logistics, transport, and even construction. Tesla bot evolution. Future versions might not just assist humans, but partner with them in creative work, teaching, and even companionship. Musk's ultimate dream? A world where humans focus on innovation, creativity, and exploration, while robots handle the mundane. Finally, So here's the big question. Would you spend $19,999 to get a Tesla Bot Gen 3 in your home if it handled 100 tasks for you every single day, cooking, cleaning, and more? Or do you think this is just another crazy Musk experiment that might not live up to the hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because Tesla's next announcement is something you do not want to miss.